Alright guys, so I found this piece of wood here, just like laying around, some extra piece of wood. Hopefully it'll be good enough size for all the bits and pieces we need for this busy board. But I'm gonna sand it all down, get these edges nice and smooth, get the faces nice and smooth and ready to go for Floyd. That should be good.
While little Floydie was taking a nap, Chad and I were just sitting here getting some reading done, and I wanted to share with you the book I'm reading right now. It's called Hunt, Gather, Parent. It is such an incredible parenting book. I've read a few parenting books, they're all the same. It's different than other parenting books because all parenting books are based on the Western culture, which, keep in mind, only makes up about 12% of the entire world population. Most of the world is still parenting like they did thousands of years ago. The biggest problem in society now is not only are adults suffering from anxiety and depression more than ever, but so are children. Children are having anxiety symptoms in grade school, which is just mind-blowing to me. Like, how can a child be depressed? A child should be the happiest little person in the world. They shouldn't even understand what that means yet at that age. But it comes all down to Western society and the things that we think are important to program into our children from birth. Anyways, everyone parents in their own way. Definitely. The author of this book, she goes to 3 different remote communities. The Maya families in Mexico, the Hadzabe families in Tanzania, and then the Inuit families in the Arctic Circle to talk to parents there. And she brings her 3-year-old daughter with her to instill some of the parenting tips that she learned on her daughter while she's traveling. It's an amazing book. Highly, 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 highly recommend. Now Floyd's awake, so let's go get him. Boo! Hi, Floydie. Did you good nap? I'm just gonna put Floyd in this snowsuit. It's not like cold out, but it's raining. But he just wants to crawl around everywhere, so if I put him in this, then he can crawl around in the grass in the yard and explore a little bit. And then if it has mittens, he won't be able to pick anything up and put it in his mouth. I gave him some watermelon in that thingamabob. So we're making Floyd a busy board. I don't know if you've seen those before, but I've seen one online and I knew instantly Floyd would absolutely love one. He's a busy guy.
Bring him over.
Bring him up, bring him up. His hat got mucked.
I got him.
So I want to show you first the things that we found that we're gonna put on the piece of wood that Chad got ready for us, or found for us. This is gonna be so good though. He's gonna love to look at himself.
Ooh, mirror.
So there's a mirror. We have one of these, I always think of Friends. The like door locks. I don't know, everything in my life I think of Friends. I relate everything I know to Friends. We got a light switch left over from when we built the tiny house. I think we have a plate to put on it.
We don't have a plate.
Oh.
But well, there's no electricity,
yeah.
so
What's this, just a hinge?
we'll put a plate on it after.
Did you just put this?
Yeah, I found it. So
Okay.
like, I don't know if there's room for it. We can put that
Yeah,
on
that's
there.
cool. Hinge. Magnetic curtain ties. Somehow attach that. Shoelaces. He likes to eat my shoelaces, so I figured maybe I'll braid it and put a little knot at the bottom and see if he can figure out how to undo a knot. Little brush.
No brush.
This, I think is a great one. I think it's a favorite because I think he'll love this. It's a wheel.
Yeah, he will.
All his toys that have like the spinny things that he touches, those are his favorite. So he'll love, it like spins in a circle and like this.
Yeah, he's gonna love that one for sure.
Bear Bell.
Ooh. He already likes that one.
I have a little makeup sponge thing, and we think we're going to wrap it in Velcro and then put it on the board so he can peel it off and stick it on, peel it off and stick it on, and it's too big to choke on. So we have a Velcro thingamajig. We have this little fuzzy elastic band, pom-pom.
Yeah, we'll try and put it on there somehow.
And then push lights. So he just has to push it to turn it on. This is cool.
Yeah, this is fun.
Chad has to drill a hole in the board for the light switch so that it's in there. So we probably want the mirror still to be like this, right? And then we can have the bell right here. That like that. And then maybe like that. We're gonna try to make sure that everything that's attached to the board is screwed on so that it can't come off and be dangerous.
Some things won't be able to be screwed on, but that's just how it goes. We need scissors and I need a pencil.
Scissors and a pencil. Let's do this.
Oh, Mom's got watermelon. Woohoo. Yeah, buddy. Alright. So I will give you
the baba. The baby.
Okay, so first things first.
Let's watch Daddy.
Let's get this. Yeah, it's open. I'm just gonna mark off a square right now to cut this so I can screw it so it's flush to the board. Typically you would cut this with like a jigsaw or something. I don't have that. I just have a sawzall. So I'm just gonna drill my hole in the corner of this thing just like you would like a jigsaw or something like that, but then I'll cut it out with a sawzall. So I got all the pieces laid out on here. I think everything's where it needs to go. We got all the screws we need. We are gonna drill like 2 more holes for the string, but we're just gonna start screwing these things off for now.
What's that doing? Are you telling me all about the rain? So we're going to put this sponge on with some Velcro so that he can pull it off and put it on. He'll probably just pull it off and suck on it constantly anyways. And this Velcro that we chose says it can hold 5 pounds. So it's some pretty serious Velcro. Oh yeah. Super sticky. Actually, that worked out really well. Ta-da! Alright, Floyd is getting tired of being outside. We have a couple things left. I think Chad is just going to, he drilled the 2 holes for the shoelaces. So we just have to put the shoelaces in, and I think that's it, hey? So it's the next day. Yesterday got a little bit crazy, got dark, and then dinner time is so hectic around here from just preparing dinner and then bath time and all that jazz. Say hi! We're practicing our waving. It's kind of a bonus that we actually stopped filming because it gave Floyd a chance to get to know his busy board and pretty sure he loves it. Right now we just have it set up behind the ladder so he can't pull it onto himself, but I'm going to show you what it's like when we just put it flat on the ground and then he can play with it like that. What's that? I think it's safe to say that the busy board was a hit. I don't know if you've noticed, but we didn't choose anything that, any form of lock that I don't want him to know how it works just yet. Well, I've got you here. Actually, I think I'll just mention that if you are a subscriber of our channel and you look forward to our Monday Fun Days, we're not going to have a Monday Fun Day this coming Monday because life is just a little bit too hectic this week to find the time to get it done. But stay tuned because next Thursday, hopefully we'll get you some of that garden content. As always, thank you for watching and being here. We truly appreciate it. And I honestly hope that you have a great rest of your day. We will have a great rest of our day, and we will see you in the next video. Peace.